This is what it looks like to move. It's just stuff, y'all. And yes, I had to go to McDonald's and get me a whatever coffee. And so books. I'm going to sit. Yeah, these are all. I don't want to zoom in because then you'll see my address where I'm going. Books on the love seat. I mean, books. Cardboard, because I'm putting together boxes for moving, and I got all my books. And then I still got a few books. Those are the last other books that I need to pack. All the other books from my bedroom, all my grand boys, bought all the books, and the stack was real high, and so I've gotten it. I've gotten it, y'all. So those were the books that they had on the table. I'll try to separate them from between me and Tasha and what's gonna stay at DJ's. But baby, and my art, pictures. I just came inside because, well, I was going to go to the park and walk around a little bit because it's nice and hot. I haven't been outside since Monday because Tuesday I took off for a doctor's appointment, and then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, here it is, today is Saturday, so I'm no longer working because I'm moving completely, totally to another state on the other side of the country. And since I am going to be not working full-time permanent for anyone, but definitely want to work a full-time like job, like a contract or a temporary position or a part-time position every once in a blue moon, but I'm taking off until July. That's when I'll actually start looking. I'll do a little part-time work in July, and because I don't have any bills except for my core and my phone bill and my car insurance. So that's it. And so I got all that taken care of, and I'll start looking for work, like I said, in July. But I'm gonna sit here, and I watched a rewatch of a movie. I'm a rewatcher because I'm a rereader. But I just watched what was it? It was so cute. It's about this writer and her boyfriend, and they go, and I've seen it before. Oops, that's Tay Diggs. Sorry, I didn't mean to hit Forever by Terry McMillan. So I'm going to watch that one. I was going to read my Coatsy book. I went and got me a little coffee. And yes, I did give me an apple pie, okay? Strawberry pie, what all of them. And I'm sorry. That's not how my mother raised me. But all I'm saying is, I think I saw this one too. But anyway, it was Laura Dern and this good-looking guy and his girlfriend. She's a writer. She wrote a book, and then they went on a retreat. I'm trying to remember the name of it, and I don't feel like going through it because then I'll be looking at other stuff. So anyway, it's a rewatch, and it's such a cute movie because it's like, you know, I like movies, of course, with older characters in it, getting some romantic attention and affection, you know, and he's beautiful. And so anyway, I'm waiting for DJ to come home. I think, no, I didn't see his car out there. DJ, you not home? I don't think so. I just went back there. No, but them kids upstairs is at home. So anyway, yeah, I'm in this block of mess, y'all. Art and books. DJ? Oh no, that's that little machine. Okay, so anyway, we had another flood in the apartment. This time it was back in my bedroom and my bathroom from the upstairs. And I literally thought somebody had died up there, like maybe was in the bathtub and the bathtub overflowed, because first I heard a little drip. So I went to see about it in DJ's bathroom, maybe, you know, because his is the first bathroom in the hallway. And then my bedroom's back there. And I came back in here because I didn't see anything in DJ's bathroom that was warranting a drip. So I went in the kitchen. I didn't leave the sink dripping, so I didn't. So I sit back down, and I hear just like rainwater. And I'm like, oh my God. Oh, it was flooding so fast in my bathroom and bedroom. Carpet completely soaked. My art over here got wet, and so that's why I bought it in there. I was running. I had to bring that in there. I'm just throwing stuff in here, just throwing stuff. And those got soaked on the top, and I painted those in Florida in 2007. I was about to cry. I mean, like actual tears. I was so stressed and my body was shaking and I was so afraid that, but this is before, I was so afraid that somebody had like maybe fallen in the shower and the water kept running and it was just gushing through and it went through my ceiling fan that's in my bedroom looks exactly like that one, right? And so it was just gushing water out of it and I was calling the maintenance, and then I went outside because I saw the little maintenance thing and they were knocking on the door, right? And I was like, the water is just coming up and somebody might be, whatever incoherent words I was speaking. And so they went and left, and it was like, we need a key because they was trying to knock and just, see if, but nobody was there. So thank God my neighbors are good. Nobody's hurt. The maintenance people reported back to me, told me nobody was home and that they didn't have much of a flood up there. The water drain got, I don't know, it broke, whatever. And so that's why all the water was just pouring down in my apartment. I was like, okay, this is the second time. Maybe you should have fixed all of it up there. This first time was in the kitchen. And so anyway, but we're moving. And so I cannot wait for this road trip. I'm taking a road trip with my son, William. I'm taking a road trip with my baby. One of my dream road trips, but I don't want to go the full dreamy road trip because he's got to be back. And I just, I don't know. I'm not trusting the California roads because y'all know I want to go through California. But anyway, so I am going West Coast. And how long will I be there? Since I'm going to be there on the West Coast for a while, I'll also be coming back to Texas to visit my DJ and my grandkids and maybe go to Kansas City. Because I kind of want to take a train from here, from Fort Worth to Kansas City, like I've been wanting to. So, but if I can get that West Coast train ride for a few days, however long it takes, that's going to be my dream train ride. One of my dream train rides. I'm not going to get the ultimate one, I'm sure, because that's in Europe. Or if I can get a train ride in Canada, because I'm going to be close to Canada. Pretty much telling y'all where I'm going. But anyway, you're going to take a road trip with me and my son. If he wants to be on camera, because everybody don't want to be on camera. Heck, I don't want to be on camera half the time. I just I'll pick up the camera wanting to talk about the books I've read, and then I go, they've read it, and if they don't, they'll find it. I don't need this, whatever. And then sometimes I just want to talk about it. I just want to make different type of videos if I'm going to keep making videos, and this is definitely not different. This is just me checking in with friends that I've met on the internet years ago. So, and also mainly for my daughter. Hi, Tasha. And yeah, it's definitely coming back here to visit my baby, and maybe we can make a train ride together, take a train ride together, because I was wanting to do the Oklahoma City to Fort Worth train ride, because it's like 4 hours, the same, I think, distance when I went to the Austin from Fort Worth, because I looked it up and me and Tasha were talking about it, and we never did it because the work, just work, and then you can't do nothing. But then if you don't work, you can't afford to do nothing. So anyway, we're gonna take that train ride, Tasha, and we might take a big one if she wants to, if she can. So yeah, but get ready. I'm gonna take y'all with me. I might not always be on camera. I'm not always entertaining. It's just to reach out to my kids and my friends and anybody that wants to just chat back with me. That's all. I'm gonna make friends. I keep saying this. I'm gonna go outside and make friends. I'm doing it this time because I'm 61 and I'm going outside in a different state. And I'm going to make all kind of friends. I might start my own book club again. Just to have maybe 5 or 6 of us. And then maybe we could go to Jamaica like my Florida book club did. We had so much fun. Anyway, who knows? And I love my Florida friends. I miss y'all. Hey, Florida. But my ride or dies in Kansas and Missouri. Family. I miss y'all too, but I ain't coming back no time soon. And I pray that I do, because I do want to make the train ride, but no time soon, because I got to discover the West Coast again. Bye. The next video you'll see will be on the road. Okay, we'll be on the road riding, y'all. Bye.